In this video I will show you how to make marketing themed shorts with the latest feature in Filmora 14.
Before we start the video, go into the first link in my description and it will redirect you to Elements Enquiry. The subscription there is super cheap and affordable for video editors. Get the best stock footages, fonts, templates, effects and everything any graphic designer or video editor could possibly need.
First go to Stock Media, then go to Christmas and find the Christmas Scene 01 Media 25 and place it on the timeline. Here you can see I place photo of the item. You can place your own one. Go to Chroma key and go to select color and aim at the color you want to get rid. Now go to titles and go to Christmas and put the memorable Christmas title 06. And now delete the video layer and the first layer of the title. Here I'm typing how much discount I give and date till it ends. I think it looks cool. Then move it in the center like I did. It looks cool. If needed, make it smaller. Now go to the stock media and put the Christmas crystal particles and drop it to the timeline. Go to transitions and find the Merry Christmas pack transition. Then drop the photo you want, and if you need PNG image like me, go to Chroma key and go to select color. Now go to compositing and set the blend mode to multiply. I will add fade in. Go to stock media and find the wonderful Christmas background and drop it to the timeline. I will crop it because I'm editing odd 9:16. You can do the way you want it. Now go to titles and click on Christmas and find lovely Christmas opener 02 title and drop it to the timeline. Delete the video layer. Click on the title, then go to animations loop and set heartbeat and set the single loop speed to max. Then go to transitions and then trending and find the AI high-tech transition 03. Now make the photos and the titles little bit short for the transition because it looks cooler. Here is the video we got. Like the video, subscribe to my channel, get your Filmora 14 today, and don't forget to subscribe to Elements Enquiry. Peace.